Every day, men, women, and children expose themselves to dozens of toxic chemicals just before they walk out of their bathroom. Dozens and dozens of products on the shelf, under their cabinet, and in their shower that have known hazardous chemicals in them that get absorbed through your skin and into your bloodstream. People do it every day without even knowing. And we walk around with this assumption that there's this large governing agency protecting us from dangerous chemicals in our lotions, in our body washes, in our shampoo, and our conditioner, and our toothpaste that protects us and doesn't allow these companies to put chemicals in these products that have damaging effects to our bodies. But that just isn't true. You see, these big chemical companies lobby and pay a lot of money to the government, and they put the politicians in power, and it all ends up working together, and we've got products that are known hazardous ingredients in personal care. And here's the key. You see, a lot of people think that the skin is a barrier, but the skin is actually a carrier. What that means is when you put something on your skin, or you wash your hair, or you put toothpaste in your mouth, you are exposing the inside of your body to chemicals. And it is possible to live a chemical-free life just with a little bit of education, a little bit of time, a little bit of effort. You can choose products that are amazing for you and your family. You see, because if you put the dangerous products on your body, within 25 seconds, we can detect those chemicals in your liver. Science teaches us that these things are hazardous to us, yet we use them every day. And it is because of this knowledge that we created Reviive. Reviive is an all-natural, incredible product line that's safe for you and your children, and its ingredients harnessed from nature to give you incredible cleaning, but also moisturizing and protective benefits to your skin. Reviive is unique in that when you look at other shampoos and conditioner and body wash, the first ingredient is usually water. What is our first ingredient? White tea, which is a phenomenal antioxidant that helps protect your skin, your scalp, your hair, it's really a beautiful ingredient. And we make all of our Reviive products, our shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, with the finest white tea available. Another fantastic ingredient in Reviive is our blue lupine. We harness a peptide from this beautiful flower that helps the hair, that actually heals the hair, helps when the hair is dry, really good for colored hair, and also helps repair split ends. The blue lupine is like your secret ingredient, because every day we blow dry our hair, we flat iron our hair, we curl our hair, we damage our hair because we want to look great. So you need this secret ingredient to help keep your hair looking fantastic. Just turn around your toothpaste and take a look at the warning labels on your toothpaste, and you'll see things like warning, harmful if swallowed, call poison control in toothpaste, and we're putting it in our mouth. You'll see things like don't use more than a pea size, and you'll see things like not for use from children under the age of 6. Why is this? Because the government knows and recognizes that there's chemicals in toothpaste, and because we put them in our mouth, they get absorbed into our bloodstream. Well, I promise you this, you are safe with Reviive. Turn around our toothpaste. It's lovely. It uses organic peppermint and vanilla and harnesses natural ingredients to help clean your teeth, shine your teeth, whiten your teeth without the warning label. Why no warning label? Because there's no toxic chemicals in the product. Take a look at our shampoo and our conditioner and our body wash. You see, we've taken extra steps to ensure that these products not only leave your hair clean, protected from the environment, shiny, revitalized, your body protected and luxurious after the body wash, but we've actually taken extra steps to make sure the smell of Reviive is healthy for you too. You see, fragrances and other products, take a look for the word fragrance, and if you see fragrance in your products, throw them away, because fragrance means a whole long list of toxic chemicals that when you breathe them in, they go right into your lungs, right into your blood. So of course we don't do this. We use essential oils because we harness the power of aromatherapy. We know that aromatherapy is healing on the body, so we use essential oils that help leave you feeling revitalized when you get out of the shower. Essential oils that, with aromatherapy, when smelling them, leave you feeling good and are good for your body. That's what Reviive is about. It's about a safe, healthy alternative for you and your kids so you can walk out of your bathroom knowing that you've taken every step to live a toxic-free life, therefore ensuring that you have a healthier body. You have a choice every day about what you put in your mouth, what you put on your skin, what you wash your hair with. And I hope that you and your family make the choice to use Reviive, because I know that Reviive is a safe alternative for you, your children, and everyone you love and care about.